In gardens and meadows, a blur of motion hovers delicately before a flower. It's small, fast, and remarkably precise. With wings beating up to 85 times every second, it darts from bloom to bloom, sipping nectar on the wing. Meet the hummingbird hawk moth, Macroglossum stellatarum. A master of mimicry and a marvel of adaptation, it can be found across Europe, Central Eurasia, North Africa, and is becoming increasingly popular in the UK, reaching as far north as Scotland. This day-flying moth has evolved a stunning resemblance to its namesake. Yet, there are no hummingbirds in Europe, Asia, or Africa. Those reside only in the Americas. Its secret lies in its flight. Like a hummingbird, it hovers mid-air using a figure of 8 wing pattern, generating lift on both the forward and backward strokes. This allows it not only to remain still in flight, but to perform smooth, agile moves such as swing hovering and side slipping, shifting gracefully from flower to flower. Its long, coiled proboscis extends to feed on nectar from teasel, honeysuckle, red valerian, verbena to lilac and phlox. And unlike most moths, it flies only by day. It also differs from most moths due to its lack of auditory organs, which means it has no sense of hearing. Auditory organs in moths are generally developed as a defense mechanism to detect the ultrasonic chirps that bats emit at night. But because the hummingbird hawk moth is only active during the day, when the bats are inactive, it does not need this same defense mechanism. Beautiful, efficient, the hummingbird hawk moth is a true aerial acrobat and one of nature's finest impersonators. The hummingbird hawk moth doesn't just impress in flight with its wingspan of up to 45 millimeters. Its entire life cycle is a display of adaptation and speed. Remarkably, 2 or more broods may be produced each year, especially in warmer climates. The journey begins with tiny, clear yellow larvae. But by the second stage, they take on the vibrant green coloration, typical of the species. These caterpillars are unmistakable, marked with 2 grey stripes bordered in cream running along the sides, and at the rear a striking horn, purplish-red in earlier stages, maturing to blue with a bright orange tip. Unlike many caterpillars that hide from predators, these larvae feed boldly on the tops of their host plants, often out in the open. When resting, they retreat into the tangled stems below. Depending on the warmth and sun, the larval stage can be surprisingly swift, taking as little as 20 days. When the time comes to pupate, the transformation begins. The pupae are pale brown, with a distinct keeled proboscis and 2 sharp spines at the tip of their hook-shaped tail. They spin loose silken cocoons, hidden among plant debris or leaf litter on the ground, quietly preparing for their final airborne form, which can be seen in flight from May to September. From egg to moth, each stage of the hummingbird hawk moth's life is finely tuned to survival, speed, and spectacle. In addition, it is also believed that it may be becoming resident in the UK due to climate change. We hope you found a fact or 2 of interest and would appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe to help us grow the channel. All the videography is filmed by me. Cheers.